Hey folks, John Ferguson Smart here. As a tester, you have a special power, kind of like a superpower. It's not being able to use a particular tool set. It's not even just being able to test software. And the thing is, if you can leverage this special power, then you can go beyond what is traditionally considered testing. You can go beyond the space of traditional QA, and you can expand your vision and do so much more. That special power is the ability to project quality across the whole team, to show other people in the team the importance of quality, and to help people perceive how to actually deliver a high quality product, how to deliver features that matter, how to deliver things that will really make a difference. And you can do that not obviously by just sitting in your corner and testing a product that's been done. That's not how you project quality. To project quality, you need to get out there. You need to talk to product owners. You need to talk to business folk. You need to talk to analysts. You need to talk to developers. You need to have conversations. And I'm not talking about reviewing requirements. I'm not talking about things that happen later on. I'm talking about getting in early and having those conversations and driving those conversations and presenting things from a QA perspective, from a perspective of quality, from a perspective of how can you deliver a high quality, a high value, high impact feature with the requirements that you have emerging. How can you help tease out those requirements to make sure that you've got everything covered? How can you help give the whole team clarity on what they need to deliver? That is the special power that you have. And that is, if you can master that, that gives you a power way beyond any tooling or even just manual test scripting or even exploratory testing or any testing technique. This gives you a leverage that will take you into a totally new space of quality and a new space in your career. So that's really the idea I wanted to project to you today. It's, as a tester, you have this special superpower. You should use it.